Hi guys, and welcome to a new video. First of all, what I'm willing to say is that we may not forget that the last 2 weeks the Bitcoin price went all the way up from about right here 29,500 all the way up to 42,600. All this on about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 days. On 11 days, on 11 green days, the price pumped 44%. Now think about that. We exactly had 1 day and a half, no, 2 days right now, where the price started to go down. And everybody is getting bearish as fuck. Guys, I mean, there is no chart that goes up in a straight line for days and weeks without having a pullback. If you don't have pullbacks, then the drop will be significant, really huge. Now, as I guys told you yesterday, let's check out this Wyckoff. The target was to make a higher high and then some chip chop before the real breakout. This thing is simply playing out exactly. The only thing that I saw was, if I go to the 12-hour, I got this sell signal right here, and we have a bearish divergence on the Fu B indicator. I have a video of the Fu B indicator, just check out my channel. So we have a bearish divergence, but the RSI is still above the 50 level. So for me, as long as the RSI is above the 50 level, see, I am still bullish because we are in positive territory. So this is what I think is going to happen. Sideways, we break this trend line, we follow this trend line and retest it for a few days, and then we go to the upside. I have seen this in the past. Is this a confirmation that this will happen in the future? No, of course not, because it's Bitcoin. But if you don't have a plan and you don't stick to the plan, you will always fail. And let me check my trades. On my Binance account, I'm up 4,000. My bybit account, I'm up 1,600. So if you combine these two, 1,600, that's 5,700. A few days ago, I was at 8,200 profit. So leverage trading is going really fast, but you have to understand that if you go up and you are in the right direction, it also goes fast. So it can go fast down, but it can also go fast up. Now my entry is at 32,640. Let me draw a line. Chip settings. 32,640. This is my entry. So as long as we don't hit this target, which is really unlikely, but it's possible. My stop loss here is at 32,640. This trade will not cost me anything. If this trade is playing out and we're really going to the upside, then I'm really thinking that we will never going to touch this level again. So I will be in a very good trade as well on my bybit account as on my Binance account. Now let's zoom in. So we have the 12-hour bearish divergence. The momentum is going down. Here at the 4-hour, you see that the momentum wave is nearly at the end of its starting. It's not starting to curve up, but it's possible that in the next few hours we're getting a green dot. And let's check out the 2 hour. The 2 hour here as the RSI oversold, and we're printing a green dot right now. On the 1 hour we have a double bullish divergence, and this is a divergence. We also have a golden dot. The golden dots are on the higher time frames very powerful, as you can see here. On the daily we had this golden dot, and look what happened. We started the pump for 11 days. So it's where we were at the 1 hour. So now let's check out the 30 minute. 30 minute we also have a golden dot. We still have that Wyckoff in play. So as the guys told you, let's go to the 12 hour. Am I sure about this, guys? No. Is it likely? Yes. Because it's not likely that we pump for 11 days to then just give it all back and dump all the way down to 20k. And even if that happens, my stop losses are in play. Just always be prepared for the worst case scenario. Now let's check out the network. Yesterday I posted in my Telegram group this transfer of 6,000 BTC that went in, and the total reserve went up. So if there was an outflow of 6,000, the total would not go up. But now we saw that the total is going down. So that means that there are Bitcoins taken off of exchanges. Now let me fast check how much this is. This is about 3,000 Bitcoin that taken off of exchanges. So this is something that I watch very closely, guys. If you want a tutorial of this, it's popping up at the end of this video. Guys, please like and subscribe to this video. I'm still not too worried because it's healthy that we get a retrace, because if you see a pump just like this, then the power that the sell-off will be extremely huge. Now let's check out the total market cap. The total is going down, total too, so the altcoins is going down also. Let's check out the Bitcoin dominance. We're still into this triangle. So we broke out. I thought, oh my god, this is the end for the altcoins, but we fell back in. So Ethereum dominance also broke out and is still in its outbreak territory. So I'm not too concerned about that. Yeah, and also, guys, I mean, what you can see is that Bitcoin dropped from 42,000 to 38,500, but the altcoins are still much higher than they were before. I remember Litecoin was at 126 or something, was it a few days ago, and we're still at 138. XRP was also sitting at 60 cents, 61 cents. So right now it's up 71 cents. So yeah, I mean, you guys know what I am willing to say. Like, the value is still holding pretty well. That's the thing that I'm trying to say. So let's check out the Bitcoin longs right here on the 12 hour, and the shorts are still way down, so that's also a good thing. Guys, please join my Telegram. If I see things like the network, I will post it immediately there, instead of making first a video then upload it, and it takes a while. So if you guys want to be updated fast, then just check out the Telegram group. Also, if you want to trade on Bybit, there's a link with the bonus and crypto quant. That tutorial is popping up. Please like and subscribe. Have a nice day, and hopefully I see you tomorrow. But in my case, I am still pretty bullish on Bitcoin. I'm going to show you a fast thing, very fast. Let me take the 3-day again. So this is something that I told you guys a lot about. This is the chart. We had a halving, a pump, then a drop, and from the date in July 6th here, we started the second run up to end that bull run. Then with that high and that bear market low, if you connect the Fibonacci retracement, then you have the 1.618 level, which is this one. And there we have a halving again 3 years later. We pump, we drop to the 1.618 to then continue the second leg up. Then we have the bear market again. If you connect these, you get the 1.618 right here. We have the halving, we have a pump up. Then we have the drop right to the 1.618, as you guys can see, to retest that, and then we can start the next run up. Now, just compared the dates and take an average of the previous cycles, see, then we should come up at about 12th of December and create a high of about $166,000 for one Bitcoin. So the thing is, do you stick to the plan, yes or no? Do you have weekends or not? As a trader, I make some plays, of course, but with my HODL portfolio, I'm just sticking to my plan, because if you don't stick to the plan, then your plan is to fail. And I have this from Crypto Kirby, but that guy is totally right. And don't play like, oh, it's going down, I have to sell right now because I have to lock in profits. Yes, you have to lock in profits, but what are you going to do if the price starts continuing? You will buy in again, and you will end up with less crypto. And then it's good possible that you make another profit, or maybe it's going down. And if it's going down and you hit the panic button, then you will lose again. And then we go up. You will buy in again, and you will end up with having less crypto. Trust me, I was there before. I don't want you guys to get that same shitty feeling. So yeah, guys, join my Telegram, and hopefully see you in the next one. Bye bye.